Today for the Bitcoin price, ladies and gentlemen, I have prepared a chart for you which will blow your mind. You better sit down for that video. I want to straight go into it and talk with you about what scenario I'm seeing here. And I'm purposely pulling that up on the big chart. I want to talk about one specific thing, that support and resistance levels right now, which tell us exactly where we will likely go. And I want to show you how it was already preparing us in the last cycle for about what's to come. Let's talk about that. Let's get straight into it. And I'm not going to show my chart, my trades today. I showed it yesterday in yesterday's video, the videos before. Check it out if you want to see it. Yes, still $16 million in unrealized profits, $10 million in realized, other way around. $10 million in unrealized profits, 16 in realized. Check it out, okay? I will maybe take some more profits soon for the one specific reason. Let me talk about it. This is the chart, the daily candles. I am going back in time now in 2021. What you could see here is that every time we had this very strong resistance and support levels, the moment we broke them, it was very indicative about what is likely to happen. We broke this resistance to the upside, boom, huge pump. I want to keep it very often, more often than not, as easy as possible. As easy wins the game for me personally, at least. Support. We break the support, down we go for weeks to come. We break the support here, down we go for months to come, going into the bear market. Very often when you just zoom out, you exclude the noise. You actually see Bitcoin speaking a very clear language. Fast forwarding into today's cycle, where we are right now, we have support and resistance dictating us again on the higher time frames. I'm not talking about the 4-hourly, I'm not talking about the hourly, 15-minute candles and all of that. No, I'm talking about the daily and weekly support and resistance levels. We had last year, 2024, resistance coming here the moment we broke it. We didn't go up immediately. We confirmed the break and then we went up to the big raise. We had another support forming, 5-6 touch points. The moment we broke it, big breakdown, actually all the way down from 95 down to 72. Same thing is happening again now, but listen to this. We had multiple confirmations of the support. We broke it to the downside. Yes, there is a way how you can make new connections and this and that, but by no means this could be considered something bullish. We broke the support. Is this an early warning sign of us actually breaking down? Well, let me tell you, and I want to tell you my exact prediction and my exact price target as to what I think is happening here right now and likely to happen to Bitcoin in the immediate short term. Let's go into it. Before we are going into my exact price prediction, I wanted to show you one thing. If you are into wealth, you want to make more money, you should focus on one thing first, and that is your health. I leave to you in the pinned comment my health-focused YouTube channel where I am talking about the best foods to unblock your arteries, why olive oil is dangerous, the big avocado lie, Cristiano Ronaldo's diet, what you do against depression, how to get a six-pack and everything. I leave you this new video about the big avocado lie in the pinned comment. Click the link, watch that video. I also have other videos just yesterday, how to unblock your arteries with food potentially. Check it out. It is very, very important to watch. So now let's talk about this, ladies and gentlemen. The moment we break below 106, that's the invalidation point for the bulls, that's the validation point for the bears. It's when I am looking for more further downwards momentum. And what would be the price target? Again, guys, if we don't break 106, always resistance is going to be the next level, and that is somewhere around 120 something US dollars, 120,000 something US dollars. Of course, we have the resistance coming first. Just don't get me wrong. We need to break 106,000 first to actually look at this bearish scenario. And yes, the next volume support is coming in at 98,000 US dollars. In fact, that is in confluence with the EMA ribbon on the weekly. The 50 period moving average on the weekly is also 98,000. So let me know what you think about that. Dear ladies and gentlemen, we will see each other very soon at the next of Crypto and MM Health. Link in the pinned comment, and we will see each other very soon. And as always, guys, as always, bye.